Welcome back, my wonderful friends, to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects so many of us: the inner voice and body image, building self-acceptance. Our relationship with our bodies can significantly impact our self-esteem and overall well-being. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring how we can cultivate self-acceptance and embrace the beauty within ourselves. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Understanding the power of the inner voice. Our inner voice, that constant chatter in our minds, has a profound impact on how we see ourselves. It can either lift us up or bring us down. When it comes to body image, our inner voice can be our biggest critic, leading us to feel dissatisfied with our appearance. But here's the thing: we have the power to change that voice into one of love and acceptance. 2. Unpacking body image in society. Society bombards us with unrealistic beauty standards, which can make us feel like we need to change to fit in. But let's challenge this notion. Our bodies are unique and beautiful in their own way. It's time to recognize that true beauty comes from self-acceptance and embracing our individuality. 3. Practicing self-compassion. To build self-acceptance, we must start with self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same love and understanding you would offer to a close friend. Acknowledge that nobody is perfect, and imperfections make us human and beautiful. Embrace your flaws and treat yourself with the care and gentleness you deserve. 4. Gratitude for our bodies. Let's shift our focus from what we don't like about our bodies to what we appreciate about them. Our bodies are incredible vessels that carry us through life's journey. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for your body's strength, resilience, and the amazing things it allows you to do. 5. Reframing negative thoughts. When negative thoughts about your body arise, challenge them with positive affirmations. Replace "I'm not good enough" with "I am enough as I am." Remind yourself that your worth is not determined by your appearance, but by the person you are inside. 6. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences that promote body positivity and self-acceptance. Follow body-positive accounts on social media, read books that celebrate diverse beauty, and spend time with people who uplift and appreciate you for who you are. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that building self-acceptance is an ongoing journey. Be patient with yourself, and celebrate every step you take towards embracing your body and inner beauty. You are unique, worthy, and deserving of love and acceptance. If you found value in this pep talk, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others. Let's spread the message of self-acceptance far and wide. Until next time, remember that you are enough, just as you are. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.